So we're here at MWC with Mikael, who leads Ericsson antenna system. Great to see you, Mikael. Two huge trends in mobile networks today are the massive increase in uplink traffic and the impact of AI traffic. Tell us a bit about how the antenna system can help enable that and deliver great performance.
Great to see you here, Gabriel, in the Ericsson hall. So at Ericsson Antenna System, our primary focus designing antennas is to make sure that when they are put into a customer network, that network is going to perform better, and our customer will be able to maximize the return on the investment. What we do that is unique is that when we develop antennas, we always do it in a live network context. We are using digital twin technology, advanced network simulators, where we have the ability to actually optimize antenna features and different characteristics of the antennas for real network deployment scenarios. We focus a lot on things like PIM, we focus a lot on beam efficiency and pattern stability, because what we know is that they are making a very big difference to the uplink performance on the network. We are the industry leader when it comes to these things, and it's not just something that we work on in our lab, this is also something that we are putting to the test. And we have been doing a number of trials, benchmark trials with global tier 1 operators, where we can see that we consistently increase uplink traffic with more than 30% by simply changing to the right antenna.
Yeah, okay, sounds good. The other thing that's a sort of a really key trend, maybe the key trend in the industry at the moment, is the transition to 5G standalone or SA. Huge implications, great capabilities. How can the antenna in an SA deployment really sort of ensure and help and extend performance?
Yeah, I mean, it's very true. 5G standalone is on many of our customers' agendas. We just recently, this week actually, we launched a technology paper where we are outlining the importance of choosing the right antennas for 5G standalone to really unlock the full potential of 5G standalone. In this, we are talking a lot about beam efficiency, we are talking a lot about PIM, and we're also talking a lot about alignment, multi-band alignment of the patterns, of the coverage. And this, is something that is, very essential for signal quality, for uplink stability and performance, user capacity, latency. All of these things are critical for a good 5G standalone performance. And this is not something that we, just write technology paper about. We just very recently did a trial and a study in a European tier 1 network, where we actually, by changing the antenna only, we increased the uplink throughput with more than 50%. We increased the voice over NR with 34%, enabling a 2G sunset, for example. And we also increased the battery lifetime at cell age with 44%. So improvements across all the KPIs for LTE, 5G standalone, improved end user customer experience, and then of course, ultimately a network that is ready for the 5G standalone evolution.
Okay, just to reiterate that and make sure we're clear, only changing the antenna.
Only changing the antenna.
All these big
only
gains.
changing the antenna.
So also, tell us a bit about what you're launching here at MWC.
Yeah, it's a very exciting week for us. We are launching 5 new AI-ready, high-performing antennas. We are, with this we call it the compact Trionet design portfolio, where we are combining high-performance antennas with real-time data and security at site level. And if I start a little bit on the high performance, again, in our design, we have been very focusing on maximizing the uplink and downlink throughput. We have been, focusing very much on spectral efficiency, and we are also seeing with the new design that we can increase carrier aggregation traffic with 40%, which is, of course, is a great enabler for our customers to fully get the full potential out of their network investments. Real-time data, that is something that we are getting with our embedded AMU and RET functionality. This is, of course, also in the AI area is something that is very important. We are with these components, we are getting real-time data on the exact location, the exact tilt position, the exact azimuth, and these are going to be key enablers for self-optimizing, AI-driven self-optimizing networks going forward. So that's another key thing we are launching. In terms of our built-in security, all the firmware in our antennas are fully signed and encrypted. So that means that we can prevent, any intrusions at site level of the network. Again, of course, very, very important. When it comes to the interleaved antennas, this is our antennas that can help our customers to optimize the site footprint, which is a key challenge for many of our customers. And we are giving them a full flexibility to combine the passive antenna with TDD, FDD, massive MIMO. So that's also something that we are very proud of. And lastly, we are also showcasing here our mission critical portfolio for use cases like public safety, railway, and defense.
That's a great set of launches. As a technology supplier, then, what would be your recommendation or your call to action for operators looking at the antenna domain in their network?
Yeah, I think the call for action for me is really make sure that antennas become part of your network strategy and that you're modernizing your network to really unlock the full potential, meeting the uplink requirements driven by AI, and also enable the full potential out of 5G standalone. Many of the antennas that are being deployed are going to be in the networks for the next 5 to 10 years. So the decision that you make today is something that you probably will have to live with for a long period of time. And then you need to have that as part of your strategy and as part of how you want to leverage AI and 5G standalone going forward.
Mikael, thanks very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.